Lief Labs. Experience wellness through innovation. We help brands thrive through quality-driven custom formulations, made with innovative, effective ingredients, crafted to meet unique performance goals and aligned with evolving consumer demands. Providing complete turnkey solutions for all contract manufacturing needs. 220,000 square feet powered by solar, delivering scalable production of capsules, powders and tablets offered with a spectrum of packaging solutions. Backed by deep industry experience that fuels innovation, inspires trust and elevates every formulation. And supported by our in-house ISO 17025 certified laboratory, ensuring safety and reliability. Certified to meet the highest standards with precision, with compliance, with care. Streamlined through logistics, vertical integration and network reach. Rooted in our values: drive, adaptability, innovation, integrity, teamwork. Join the hundreds of brands who trust us to deliver excellence. Lief Labs. Wellness through innovation.